AT&T modem's powering back on. Blockheaded, it all depends, man. But you can pretty much spend, like, just the hardware alone, you can spend about $2,000. Yeah, my T-Mobile is just not connecting. Yo. The other modem is just scuffing me, unfortunately. These are cool. This is actually the start of the parade. I didn't really realize that before. Are we live? It says low. This is still not good. This spot seems fairly stable. I shouldn't have moved just now then. Never mind. Yeah. Live? You keep moving out of good spots? Yeah, I mean... dude. I'm gonna find us a good spot. Oh, check this out, dude. This is the oldest guy we've seen in the parade so far. Masonic family members. Fire trucks too. All right, I'm gonna walk all the way down.